Not such a good day for removing the marker lights, raining here in the UK. But anyway, I'm doing it one-handed. I'm probably going to regret this. So, a question on the forum about the connector on the marker lights. Now, my rear marker light did have a connector on this side, which I've taped over because it was a bit dodgy. So that's what I have on the near side. I've never removed the right hand side, so let's have a look. Hope I'm not going to regret this. I did have a problem with the other marker light on the other side with the LEDs going dim, but it's kind of fixed itself. It's no longer doing that. What do we have on this side? Here we go. Right, there are some inline connectors which don't seem to be factory, I would say. They're not something I fitted, so that's the situation. Probably why I taped them over. Okay, I'm going to put them back together now. This is the rear left hand side indicator. This is GM 1511 4677, and there's another number beneath it which is unintelligible, but it's 1058 something 040. You can see it's flashing very dim. Occasionally, if you waggle the wires, I've replaced the I've taped up and made the connectors good. They were a bit dodgy, but it wasn't the cause of the problem. And I've just put some insulation tape around them just in case they ever short to the body. It shouldn't do. But these are just so dim. Occasionally you can get them to go bright just by, I thought it was the wiring connectors, but I think it's the actual module itself. It seems to have 12 volts going to it, pulsing. It seems to have plus 12 volts permanent, and then it's connecting and disconnecting the ground wire. That's going fine now. All I've done is just waggle my finger on the back.